Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be going over the new Natasha Denona holiday collection, which includes a new mini palette called the Mini Zendo palette. I have both of the new I Need a Nude lipsticks as well as the I Need a Nude Glow highlighter. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look as well as comparisons of all of these products. But before I do, let's get into the information and the swatches. Starting off with the Mini Zendo palette. This retails for $25. However, I purchased the bundle because each of the lipsticks are $25. This is $25, so that's $75, and then $42 for the highlight, or $100 for the entire collection. So I chose to go that route. And also, if you would like to just grab the lipsticks, if you purchase the pair, it's $45 instead of $50. And that is on the Natasha Denona website. In the Mini Zendo palette, we have 5 new shades, which includes Stark, a medium dark cool burgundy, Bare, a pastel pink, Stripped, warm silver, Daze, metallic coral with light bronze shift, and then Uncovered, a dusty coral. Then we have this gorgeous I Need a Nude Glow highlight. It has a mirror on the inside, but I have not taken off the little thing that covers it so I don't blind you guys. This is limited edition and it's described as a multi-dimensional metallic highlighting powder with a high shine finish, a nude champagne. Lastly, but certainly not least, the 2 new I Need a Nude lipsticks, Maria and Andrea. Maria is described as a light rosy nude with a neutral pink undertone, and Andrea is a light nude beige with a neutral beige undertone. All right, you guys have seen the swatches. Now let's get into this look. REPHR number 15 in the shade Bare. I am going to take this all into the crease and the transition area. REPHR number 1, using the shade Uncovered. I am going to start on the outer corner. Then I'm going to work this into the crease to add some definition. Next, I'm taking the shade Daz or Daze, I'm not sure which one it is, on a Bristles Beauty EO2 RL. I'm first going to apply this into the crease so I don't have a harsh line when I go to apply it to the lid. Same shade, REPHR number 21. I'm packing this on the lid. Going back in with the shade Uncovered, I'm using this on my REPHR number 3 and I'm just taking it and placing it right along the lower lash line. REPHR number 14 in the shade Stark. I'm going to add some depth to this outer corner as well as the outer crease. I'm going to smoke it up just a little bit. I'm actually taking this about more than halfway into the crease. Next, I'm going in with the shade Stripped. I'm using that on a Bristles Beauty P06 RF, and I'm placing that on the inner corner. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the I Need a Nude Glow Highlighter on a REPHR number 21 and highlight my brow arch. Then I'm going to go add on liner and mascara. Now I'm going to go in with the I Need a Nude Glow Highlighter and my Anastasia A23. I'm just going to highlight my face. That brush gave me a soft glow. Now I want to see if I can build it up with my Linda Hallberg 306. Sonia G Smooth Buffer, buffing around the edges. For my lips, I already have them lined in number 20 from Bite Beauty. And then I'm going to go in with the I Need a Nude lipstick in Maria. Let's talk opinions. And I'm going to start off with these two new lipsticks. I love them. It's no surprise. I love this formula. It's one of my favorite formulas in my collection. It's a creamy satin, not overly creamy, not too dry. It's perfect. It has so much pigmentation. It goes on with ease. It doesn't accentuate lines, dryness, anything. It's just one of my all-time favorite formulas. And if you're curious about all of the previous ones, I do have a video on those. I grabbed a ton of them, but I also did some comparisons of these two new shades. I'm going to show you those now. The first two shades are the newest ones, Maria and Andrea, and then we have Lyron, Susanna, Michelle, Beatrice, Natasha, and then Sava. I just chose the lipsticks out of my current collection that I thought were similar enough so that you guys could see if you wanted to pick these up, if you already have those shades, if you needed to or not. But these are gorgeous. I love the packaging. I wouldn't even really mind if she changed all of her lipsticks to this packaging. It's just really pretty. I love the reflectiveness. It's really pretty, and it's magnetic. All right, let's get into the eyeshadow palette. I gotta tell you, when I first saw this palette on Instagram, I scrolled right on by. It didn't catch my eye because I immediately thought that it was the mini retro. I guess just, you know, when you're scrolling, when I just first caught a glimpse of it, I just thought somebody was posting a picture of the mini retro, which I love that palette, but it's not, clearly. This is not the same palette. And again, I am going to show you comparisons side by side. First, let me show you them up on camera. Here they are side by side. And now let me show you the side by side comparison swatches. As you can see, they're definitely not the same palette, but they pair so beautifully together. I played with these just a little bit, put them together, and oh my gosh, like this could be a palette together in of itself. It is gorgeous. I actually like these two together more than just this palette on its own. And don't get me wrong, I think this palette is gorgeous. It applies well. It's true to the Natasha Denona formula. It's gorgeous. It truly is gorgeous. I did experience some fallout, which again is typical with her shadows. It does not bother me personally, but if it does you, just do your makeup after you do your eyes. With me, I was able to just brush it away. The palette is stunning, though. I really love these two shades. I could wear those alone. Just those two shades. I love the pale pink and then this added depth here. With it kind of has like this rusty pink look to it. A slight orangey red, but still kind of pink, like a pink terracotta. It's just a gorgeous color. I love the whole take on this palette. So if you're gonna ask me if I like it, I do. But I have to admit that if I was going to have to choose between the two, I would still go with the mini retro. This is just so good. The I Need a Nude Glow Highlighter. First off, stunning. It is stunning. I was a little surprised though, whenever I went to put it on with the A23, it just didn't pick up the product like I wanted it to. So I went in with my Linda Hallberg brush and it definitely adhered more to that brush and then went onto my skin better. and I think it looks really, really nice. It's nothing like the Super Glow formula. This one's definitely more opaque and it's a different texture. I think the Super Glows are a little bit creamier and this one is more intense. When I look at this, I think that it's a gold highlighter. I mean, I really thought it was going to be identical to something like the ARMANI highlight, but it's not. When you swatch it and actually use it, it has like this rosy undertone to it. And again, it was hard for me to catch on camera. I was seeing pictures online and I was like, oh yeah, this is totally exactly the same as yada, 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 yada. And it's not. It is a completely different color. And again, I don't think that you're really going to see it as true in the pictures as you would in person, but trust me, this is different. But again, let's look at the swatches. I have I Need a Glow from Natasha Denona, ARISEE from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Magic Star from Charlotte Tilbury, Huda Flora, the Nymph Highlighter, Dior 01, Charlotte Tilbury's newest Hollywood Superstar Glow, MAC Whisper of Guilt, and then I just wanted to compare the look of the Super Glow in 02. I don't think this is a must-have. I think it is beautiful. I do think that you're going to want to use the appropriate brush. So if you want something softer, go in with the Anastasia A23, this little guy right here. But if you want something more impactful, a stiffer synthetic brush is going to apply it better. And then on top of that, if I really want my highlighter to grab and look just as blingy as possible, because you know, I like highlight just a little bit. I like to take my sponge, Fix Plus, or any kind of spray that you would like to use, and then just kind of dot right along where I'm going to put the highlight, let it get most of the way dry without it being fully dry, and then go on top, and it will grab and adhere much, much better and be far more intense. The entire collection is gorgeous. They all work really, really beautifully. I'm gonna get the most use out of the lipsticks. I just really like nude lipsticks. I really do. And I wanted to mention, because I forgot to whenever I was talking about this palette, this shade right here, which is called Days, I'm not sure. This one I did have to kind of build up, so I just wanted to let you guys know. You could use it wet if you wanted to. None of the other shades that I feel like I really had to build on, but this one right here I did. So I just wanted to mention that. But overall, beautiful. I'm very happy with everything that I got. Let me know down below what you guys think, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.